In this section, we'll summarize the topics that were covered in Chapter 9. This chapter described five processes from the Executing Process Group: Direct and Manage Project Execution, Acquire Project Team, Develop Project Team, Request Seller Responses, and Select Sellers. Project plans are carried out in Direct and Manage Project Execution. Activities are authorized to begin, and the project product, service, or results are produced. Acquire Project Team involves working with other groups to procure the human resources to complete the project work. Availability, ability, experience, interests, and costs are all enterprise environmental factors that should be considered when choosing team members. Develop Project Team involves working with team members to understand and procure any training necessary to make the team effective and efficient. It's important for the team members to cooperate with each other and appreciate the various skills within the team. Team development has 4 stages. This is Bruce Tuckman's model: forming, storming, norming, and performing. All groups go through these stages. The introduction of new team members initiates the process over again. Teams can be more efficient when they're in the same physical location. This is also known as co-location. This can also include a meeting room or gathering areas where team members can meet and collaborate. We covered motivational theories: Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the hygiene theory, the expectancy theory, and the achievement theory. All of these theories surmise that motivation is driven by several things: needs, anticipation of expected outcomes, needs for achievement, power, and affiliation. The hygiene theory claims that certain factors, known as hygiene factors, prevent dissatisfaction. There are differences between leadership and management. Leadership sees a vision and gets others to see it and rally around it as well. Theory X leaders can be dictatorial and believe that workers can only be motivated by punishment, money, and position, and require intensive supervision. Theory Y leaders think most people want to perform at their best and require minimal oversight. The contingency theory states that people will continue to be motivated for the desire to be competent even after the competency is reached. There are 5 types of power: punishment, expert, legitimate, reward, and referent. Request seller responses involves procuring bids and responses from vendors. Part of the RFP process is using the bidder conferences, advertising, and developing a qualified seller list. Select Sellers is a separate process that involves receiving and evaluating the bids received. Vendors are then selected and contracts awarded. In the next section, we'll cover those items that are important for the exam.